Yamra Shebeja Fu yo. Ya me who ade bi wo mu na me nguru word I found describe wo. Have you seen some pettiness and show of bravado and hard-headedness mempene yentiase ye majority ye minority dey ba ye so ye mamu twimfa so na titi 34 na abegu osisi a mama yarega ene eyi na obet say banta yes e was say kasa bi koso a e was say ye kire ne say onya ne sa party for me I we say I say ye ya mamtim ayemode very good ye twemamo
yes
and a minority nso just say share and nka die besi
hey to the extent class said no na joka say afenyomo anhwe ya they will report all the minority members to the privileges committee and make sure say you omunyina e dey me and am say wow
I just say and at 2 p.m. And I was say afenyomo akin ayi to force Ade Akye
budget
for almost 4 to 5 hours. Approval of Chief Justice.
Now your man son.
And someone minority omo raising Ade Yawie
anfa. Omo pan say it should be captured. Say
Hansard say yes. On this day.
Say on this
when
day
we were approving. This MP said ABC.
Yes, your reasons here. The man was A, B, C, D. Yes, speaker.
This issue is not before Parliament.
Yes.
You can discuss. Another
window. To make clear that I may have most of you walk out or vet, you know. You shouldn't have anything to do with the approval. Monjai, say your hands are never captured, so I'm walking out no with your man cash here and found. But that's a steal.
Oh,
steal.
And that Nika
me uncle your budget.
A lawyer from Kwana could go on. So, Mason.
No, I say, I J Bafo. Nana J Bafo. A Yikasembi.
Eriko Pokuai.
I'm sorry, no,
Constitution, no parliamentary.
Yes. Let it be on record.
Yes.
That we do not appoint to a fast track high court.
Yes.
We appoint to a high court. And a high court will give a subsidy. The fast track high court cannot be appointed.
To be appointed.
Sorry. Mr. Speaker, I am referring to the document and the report. As a Columbia, they nursery.
Now, Bakubi lawyer Anthony Mie.
Aye.
Okay, some no na speaker said, Debbie. Some when na you may do one year come, some man. Okay, speaker, okay, and you go constitution, you go parliamentary. Go to job speaker say, it's your constitution say, it's what the Bible say, you may do. Say, asam me say.
No. Some lawyers for Parliament. Now lawyer for the day no mo ye. Omo che manso. Mo be nya bi. They no ready budget no. On say ready budget. Ala boys big go ase ho.
Aye.
No mo comment. No. Akwa ba ko the comment. I see the idea just say MPP. Manage shrines and Ghana.
Ya buzu fie so monza.
Mamu no party.
Dia kika koi.
Omuti manage. I say MPP will manage our shrines. Me see I can say
South for I obo wa se masa commentary no.
Comment.
Yeah, na me penny mo di atem.
Yes.
But the humor.
Sir, interesting.
The humor. The humor. One man. If you have a comment, you know, Obini no bantana yes on Debbie. Foolish man, you are Debbie. Casieto, Debbie. But Obu on Mao. Or you win Nika or Trotto. Uber Selesa, emojis, laughter. It releases stress. But Obu on man, one for the person. no the political lens nti no di atem ehu hia
nti ase ofo na so why so wanya the LLB bi na wonya nyiniti no o na ba be twiro paragraph
on the twiro paragraph 23 no also on as we call law school no aba so is the one trying to the constituency jaukuti court that one bobo
obeko to akokot high social media no so near
no ayi atoforcing oyi niam bi to revelation bi omudi ama yoko ni ade boy bako wase hosa na mo ye sure 2028 ba o mi akra no onnem
yo mo kije gede
no mo kije gede no flag bearer na mu ground
obi a wo be basem
and I'm say Abrante Usa when MPP came to power 2017
yes.
They made it known to the point say your mama cry akase ye china to work it's way ABS eti mama mo yemo sese mo
na nse mo ze no mo invite
akufo
na na
mo
invite for question bi ne
ai srem sai everybody was say officer in the next 2-3 weeks Nana will be invited
hey
Srem size
so I say when you go do
so ya brantie
ojini din ba
now to me kaso be invite wan kufu ado
say you for
SML no woni mu
you for near ma de bi no
tell am say Srem size
oh
ojini
I would have do ba bi am enjoy no say
I shocking go for MPP na dey call PhD MPP and a man or ye scholarship
next time
no
next time
I had to say mama yariga
yes
na ne auntie
yes
Hawa
Ogede
Yakubu sponsor no yi Harvard and obetu no
ode no ko ba ya no betu
oba no ko boko no kutu no ono sponsor no every 210 Harvard ni auntie no
yes
oba ya ko JNDC no watu no
eno anu
otu awo Ogede Yakubu
nifanye
bone
hey when we took office we met an economy in distress. We're down by debt, weakened by mismanagement, and stripped of confidence. We have renegotiated all power purchase agreement. One am the buy. Timwama renegotiate here. Yenti to force.
Administration took office. We met an economy in distress, weighed down by debt, weakened by mismanagement, and stripped of confidence. Mr. Speaker, the 2025 budget was our first act of courage, a declaration that Ghana would rise again through reforms, discipline, and visionary leadership.
TNT power purchase agreement renegotiation, no. Send ye okaya beboye.
Saving over 200 cost to the state, saving over $250 million and restructuring 1.1 billion Ghana cedis over a 4-year period. Mr. Speaker, government is now fully current on payment, clearing $300 million in 2025 year to date and allocating $345 million for 2026. Mr. Speaker, for the first time, we are not accruing new arrests in energy sector. Solar tariffs projects like BXC and Mineji have dropped from 18 to 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour, cutting costs and expanding access. Mr. Speaker, this was achieved as part of the renegotiation. Mr. Speaker, the Electricity Company of Ghana revenues has risen almost 90% from 900 million to 1.7 billion Ghana cedis per month, thanks to better enforcement of the cash water format.
Okay. Inflation, 8%. Single digit. Anyone has
fallen faster than anyone in my Honorable Speaker. inflation has fallen faster than anyone imagined, from 23.8% in December 2024 to 8% by October 2025. Ghana is back to a single-digit inflation. This was not by sheer luck. It is the outcome of disciplined fiscal policy, steady monetary management, stable exchange rates, and strong domestic production. Together, these have restored confidence, stabilized the cedi, and eased the pressure on families and businesses. Food inflation reduced from 27.8% to 9.5%. Prices of everyday food such as tomatoes, garden eggs, okra, and fish are finally falling. Mr. Speaker, non-food inflation also dropped from 20.3% to 6.9%, supported by steady fuel prices and lower import costs. Right, Honorable Speaker, this progress proves that sound policies brings real relief.
Okay. Also, can say, the tide has finally turned. Ghana's economy has fully, and the emphasis, fully recovered. I saw the renewed investor confidence about it in the investors or catch them say mumro you be quite not to Ghana ye dead.
Through visionary leadership, fiscal discipline, and policy consistency, the tide has finally turned. Mr. Speaker, Ghana's economy has now recovered, marked by renewed investor confidence and an improved macroeconomic outlook. Mr. Speaker, I'll now give you real sector performance. Mr. Speaker, Ghana's economy has regained its rhythm. Real GDP expanded by 6.3% in the first half of 2025, up from 5.1% in the same period of 2024, driven by stronger agriculture and service, lower inflation, and renewed business confidence. Non-oil GDP grew by 7.8%, showing that our growth is now powered by domestic production. Mr. Speaker, the service sector remains the heartbeat of recovery, surging 8.8% with ICT up 17.2%, finance and insurance up 9.5%, and education up 14.9%. Agriculture, the backbone of stability, also grew by 6%, doubling that of last year. Mr. Speaker, cocoa rebound from a sharp 21.4%, contracting to 2.8% growth. Mr. Speaker, thanks to the targeted farm support and smarter policies. Industry held steady despite reduced oil output. Manufacturing rose 6.3% and construction 4.0%.
Okay. Sesiano, Abani Shishane say, Womode Kumasi Accra Express Highway. Ade Akye, the big push infrastructure program no. My feasibility studies in every
formation
yentie
motive project two transformative projects have been added to the big push. Mr. Speaker, they are the Accra Kumasi Expressway and the Achi Amamfrom Adoso Bridge. Mr. Speaker, let me now provide some details about these two iconic infrastructure projects. Right, Honorable Speaker, a flagship of the big push infrastructure program is Ghana's Kumasi, the Accra Kumasi Expressway project. Ghana's first modern 6-lane bi-directional Class A expressway, stretching 198.7 kilometers. The Accra Kumasi Expressway will link the capital to the Ashanti region through the Greater Accra and Eastern region, linking the south to the north. The Accra Kumasi Expressway, which is on a new alignment, will reduce current travel distance by 50 kilometers from 250 kilometers to 198.7 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, the Accra-Kumasi Expressway is also expected to have travel time between Accra and Kumasi, reducing transport costs by nearly 40%. Mr. Speaker, the Accra-Kumasi Expressway project alone is expected to create over 30,000 direct and indirect jobs during construction. Right, Honorable Speaker, beyond mobility, it will stimulate industrial parks, logistic hubs, and service economies along its route.
Okay. About education, I'm sorry, the university a double track every ho. Na get fund ABCC, Suku, Suniade, they are tossed one so almost shall say grade A schools, B, C schools, or more upgrading no SEC are dying near my baby said a bear. Schools no benya, science resource centers, infrastructure, halls, dormitories, schools, classrooms, baby. Era to force and canning committee non so cause so more satisfied. Na enuntino de siano papa bafu bonny and run you walk or dano. Now I Ghana de Chief Justice. I guess your mampeni Ade Akye Abia na we shy me name said no say Eduardo. You say I Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Justice Bafo Bonny approved. They no approve any want to kwa bebrebe, you know. Minority say Finance Minister. Any Controller and Accountant General. My unlawful withdrawing of 14 billion from the District Assembly Common Fund. 11.3 million. Oma say unlawful withdrawal.
Release was done. The money on the 4th of November, they paid the third quarter to the controller released it, and it went to the account of the District Assembly Common Fund. Then on the 11th of November, they blocked the same payment. So the release was done. The money reflected in the account on the 4th of November. On the 11th of November, they blocked their account. Then on the 12th of same November, they swept the account. The amount involved is some 1.4 billion Ghana cedis. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, you know there's a Supreme Court ruling with the Podo case where the Supreme Court gave
good morning.
Approval of the Chief Justice.
Akuta budget ne de was yet ya na yetete ye. De was ne yetete ya na yetete ye. A friend say, me de baby o kan ya akuta me ni je ho ye o say agenda 111 hospitals and this year na next year mum. Next year on be making sure some be complete 10. On be complete 10. And akunta e de papa because President Ade Akye Abia started agenda 111 hospitals. No bia ka say 111 hospitals within a year na say within 4 years 2 years I would see there. Anu ase dodo ukofesika wa hin. Sa bre no Ghana ko IMF ye pa ye ho ye hunu ba bia di ani kwa kobo bia. Iti se akotase ye beto ye bo na nkoye se bia eye politics in ye de ye na bi agenda 111 hospitals no saban we statistics bi a year bia no me complete 10 at least mo sanity so hu timi me de me fi se ne kwan so an akota Kumasi Accra highway yesu hu aka bia se Kumasi Accra highway no ekunipa e chen COVID-19 Kumasi Accra highway no se e chen malaria e chen HIV AIDS ya ye kope donor fund ne hwan e de kotutu nuro e de ema no mampani na Ade Akye Abia start say ye dualize from Joso to Konongo no we yi Konongo kuro no e kwan na to Konongo kuro na chi and now ba is it enyinem susu a no mayi dia to kro na chi na ase another one say nkoko say baby susu omayi e dia kwakoto kro na chi akota say enei ye ba be yesa sense S6 express lane ne hwan ya akota ya de papa ne mum me de me busa nyina ne say akota politicians yenim budget no akota kai second of reata core parliament from 2017 Agunaga Junction interchange Swami interchange so next there so fly completing Kumasi Ring Road akota from 2017 oh and Kumasi drainage mo akunta bakubia drainage bia me kaipa o Kumasi as no friends pelele ana aboabode na ba be pia Agunaga Junction be bia gas filling station bi wono eba di kotwem ko atonsu wono ne wom sa atonsu de na mu se omo ye ho adwuma emra na omo ye sa double road no omo ye ho adwuma barakunta me kan se enkoye kanofre atade ni bi Agunaga Junction interchange airport roundabout Kumasi interchange eba budget mu from 2017 yaw hutibe akunta sikaho sa yes okay akunta we just sikaho yaw sa asat ayi enra na ye nya $9 billion if you code board sabi jemfi ye twemkra sa ti by next year yes asia na nya be 10 by December ye the social 10 billion to big push Omanhene Yaw wo ko pay 10 billion na man for fees wo ko proposia enwa na ko ta say it all kasa no eda Johnson ho Johnson is here, Bank of Ghana. At reserve treasury. Na kunte, it is said the honor. Sikawo. Akuta Matias said the honor. Akuta say asama atofo se koke kan enra ni nyina. Edu ba bi na mi busa me ho say, o say the economy has fully recovered. Yes. The economy at the end akuta yen no ebotomo we don't feel it o. 300%. It is a 10 billion one cocoa board sika no. Say 9 billion or say 6 billion say da hono mo gold board sika no akuta say at least more the contractors ni bika pay them what your contractor ne ka obetua ne workers ka obeto cement akuta we don't feel sad there no economic recovery ni there all launch all cut sword ba akukọ nketenkete debi all cut sword for akwan bia push road so far cut be 3 as a 4 me won say next week obakumase just to offensive. Yes. The moment Okati saw na governor any to force and release the contractors. Haven't you realized that for quite some time the contractors are quiet? The reason is now. Abayno negotiation to the point where the banks it almost sorted that issue. To give them space, fiscal space, to go and do their work. Yeah, me say, sir, 8.3 billion. You say I do 9 billion. Omanhene Yaw mama beye Ghana kwan na opeso ye obetumi aje. Ya no ya the 3 billion koje IMF kra keke ya ho kire mu no. Abali timi so bibim. Agoda 10 billion there. One year
$10 billion.
The next by 2 years, usi Ghana we abeka say America o.
Omanhene Yaw mama e kati sword watermali. Or say
in the
next 24 months,
yes, Ghana will be a construction site.
Every area is going to be a construction site. In Ghana, for
you should bear with
we
the
should
government.
Bear with the problems. Now, after 24 months, no Ghana for Benanti Aquan Paso.
You been one of
one Casaqua. Yo, so $10 billion within 1 year.
Akuta mijitum na o kai say mrebi Atamos the late Etiase na nke kwa kwaji 2 billion Chinese loan bi e ma ye bo say wo ho den na dey XTL sa 2 billion Korea deal akuta sa sika na mitie eniema yese ye de ba be ye be Ghana kwan ye be we ye be sisi adam na say so imagine
2
billion dey na je say na ya benya 10 billion na 9 billion.
The only thing I say almost so I am a dollar no any city nenya to continue. Enka 1 billion say yeah. Enka 1 billion no. You can number 60. You say swati. But what what you said, Asante, it should reflect the 8%
gains, inflation about 6
inflation about 8.
About 8%.
From 23 to 8.
Akufo-Addo Jane said 23.
And the be genuinely Eswati. But the staples the everyday
Niema to Tonya the Adeno. You no say
now people are even crying say lorry fair boy day. 81 say yeah the gains of the inflation now akoshe will cost our transportation.
So you don't feel it. We have filling stations or more board the ECC oh yeah. Ebi one ma baby one ma be do de petrol liter ba ko je 11 cedis 50 pesos. There ani board den cry 12 point something. So but akota sa na ma we nyina eso eti no. Transport ministry no should also start engaging a transport operators no.
So
akota yes inflation so ti na say still yeto omemu no trotro besi ono ka cho say from Tafu to baby a ukobi 10 cedis a opa ja na o ka chem say inflation akota say ne moyen
yes yetimemu na timemu for the twayabe
so
no man penny na pam for so inflation about from we have a from feeling we pocket and na wan show ya what the figures be go ni ato abetia
so
what the figures be go
akota dollar $30 from 14 or 15 cedis
10.8
aba begina 10 cedis 90 pesos akota we the infant say 5 cedis
free
and free so also who proper reflection wo e form one mo pa o nye fetire sembia o
me turn last year
say me turn
in this me turn 15 me got turn 18
say cement na 100 cedis akota dollar so ate 5 cedis free so cement eba be 70 cedis o
enso so kwa omutumu
iron rods or say esote
Asante mamitio
yeah iron rods you see iron rods in January it was around 86 million. It came around 65.
Yes. Iron rods the Oman can want some passes.
Cement to crash so and I'm here and something about bedru say nam 85 88 81 yeah most next week no man for
I want to tell you man so
I was saying man about form and I was say reflect our month for buto and I can maybe say because say inflation single whatever and then more the good basket you calibration calculation e be wa enya impact kese we so
yes
we ko fire a dying year major issue ni people Ghana almost some hand dying and you know ya na dynamism ni say man no ne kana ye very technical but enu budget about ne kan no na mo ka construction no or ka say construction ni agric they are expecting about 800,000 jobs.
Yeah.
Or my 400,000. No. Okay, 800,000. That means the major stake of the economy, no, it will be taken over by construction
and agric.
Yeah,
that is good.
And what we say also no. Mostly it will be private sector driven. Government no me far contractors ne or laborers ne say even 200,000 ko on fa. Or person private sector driven. And for that matter, never boama. Among for benya short to meet long-term jobs creation ama ebema relieve aba eno na make say Ghana head you baby a o man enka e boy wi aba say 2 obotu ko adwuma be say 5-6 hours no nya fitesi e dey ko na nka mabu pina be wa ko say adwuma no
na abro change
every day bia wo nya fitesi e dey akinu
betom 2 hours no dey
na wo nya fitesi e dey akinu betom a o man the guys will be doing ono ko ko forma no nya fitesi o ba ne bed o ya na say forma na o ko ne baby and forma no so na dey onu say o ko nya fitesi liter eno yes se na abune semre bi ebekọ a ebeboa o man mi mre bi professor Jamba for can say be say economy say wo ka say wo de indices bi na say ni ma bi agu akwa mu bebo ma economy na na so a ya na it take 2 years na reflect wo de na mani gu akwa mu but it should take to but me there me pese be do 2 years no by next year pa me there I was say we live in Diba right now there is reduction amount for aba am be very stabilized. But me who say e bi people to my tell money am so am Ghana for one to mo hwe mo can transport edu kwesi ada any weekends na say police for ni jejan kwan da ba for no say ye je no ma fe You know my fair, which is a great to take 5 seasons and 50 pesos. Or Beji and one.
Supposed to week now, press out.
But weekends now, possible for most of them, no, equity weekends, no. What is the for any page or about more than 150? And I any short, sir. It's a petrol resort. Now, say ya na petrol, maybe 1 CD car later, no. Boys need to petrol case scheme. It's a name so bafom and the mummy mono you ID. I was a transport minister need any Ghana police service, no. Omo collaborate. Na omutimi ya sa attack force na
na
amon for to omo oman na me kitom na bibi ana na ka say auditor general report to 10.17 billion infractions misappropriation whatever you say what did there be ba insa say ba ko jensu ne so ne ja ho na nso fi du why ya clean ba be jensu ne tifi on ba be pe bibi o mo say the audit office of audit pre-contract audit office and sign the contract be man no e be hwe sisem but when sa omo public procurement you know
about your office
so that young first you this kind of on my member pre-contract audit no say the contract now on my all these years yeah first animal you could do trouble this scan afa na be a 10 billion from 2017 or 2016 to 2025 for you. Okay, you call but almost 70.
Enye no no mo friend visibility studies.
Yakobram.
Boss, ma me na tia no pai na me ncha ya tie for hwefo no pai. Na minim se eno budget no bi be se na akono utia ede ubebo nsem. But ye be hye no nso a free 1992 the ba say aman bia take amambu bia different administration take over bon say economy no we hear this kind of enkomo say inflation ba form neoma stabilize ne na sefo and what no nso so aye sa time nso bia na ye wo IMF mu ye pie free mu nti enema de dana kwamu that physical discipline ne de was ye de adwuma nyina ye de agugu fom a ye de ye adwuma ekonanim but when imra ho so 2 years 3 years ekonanim no bo na economy na shase na eden ehwie gu sa nkakran
this time the resetting will work.
Yes, so my request and say sa fiscal discipline na IMF for buy yo mo be kire ye nunti enema da na kwamu a bibia koyie pick form no yes rese going forward no at least we have to learn because your classroom ya kusua de ne aba be practice nti de IMF for abakrum ha ne aba betena no ma kire ye nti a economy ne pick shape pick form na koyie no so mu free ha kwa ma ne nkoye se ye wire fi anasa adwene ne da ye tirimo no asambiem ne ansa nwane anko we should learn from that na fe yemfa ni djuma na economy no ntumi nyina ne nan so na the African man is capable of managing his own affairs no and sha se nya djuma na reflect na mrofo no hunu se ampa we have all the resources now adwene nso ye djuma enti they are seeing competition in Africa enti omonso no omumfa ye ni agrobiem na sebe how omubu ye ne kwan omufaso ne kasa no omumfa ye nya hwe no omo abo mo ho so no mahu say Africa said the president ko kan wo UN say the next few years a day animo no yen na wiase ne yeden de ano yen hyase ne hu ne sa ne yentu sa na mo no now me bompa yen so ese sa kwan ahodo yi ebetumi akoso o man no kwasem pa ne say development be koso wo ba bia ya na ejina kwan so because say offer biya ba ku mienu bia emfuturo kwan da ho nso emfuturo ho a obekọ obi aye choba bi but emfuturo nti na agu obi abie boutique bi emfuturo nti na agu obi abie sport bi na joint bi wo ba bi emfuturo nti na agu
omo hu na mane pa fe yi ase ne to atonsu ofu akwan egu enema say
yes
because the 2 years because ye kwan
yes
near we in 5 years
5 years time no kwasem ne se ho kwan ne ya obo container ni si wo no obi paade ato a onfa ka makejetia
straight up
onfa ka makromu obenya bia to wo curve no mu ha nti e basa ye expand development no e kate across akoba bia but e kwan ne nya me mfa misika nkobie because mfuturo be se no Inti me nko bie no nipa no be fa ka ba conjection be si ewo krom ho enso yemma yani nko ye kwan no ho because ye bie kwan no obi adweme ba no ho se okọ ha no ma ye ntam suo ntima me nko si dan wo ho okọ ha no ma ye ntam suo ase ho no nipa na edoso wo ho ma me nko bie school wo ho ase ho nipa doso ma me nko bie clinic wo ho kakra na develop nti aban no ni na ade wo so ya ne say the basic provision of electricity, water, road, and Yaman kitty. Nanka mine on so to me at Pigan.
Okay,
may I say?
Prequine. You also mean obey 2 courses here.
Oh, yes, Santasia pre.
Santasia Prequine. Coffee job we
yes.
Obia no or assassin or a city
developer.
See, I can't go with Sadako. A pre him, assassin.
And Petia. Konakobusa assassin.
Within a span of 3 months.
A quine,
that's the power of
a quine macro, a quine mass,
the power of road.
Be a crew. Like, a crass a crown, or the Unam so.
Now, just a quite that's why. And my relationship crack also.
Oh, yes.
As I tell me what.
Because easily.
God so quack also share. Or could don't grab your basses here. Overcall.
We can do 2 quite from
we say ekwaya ye yidomi abre ekwati asante wani afi bini wudi komo penifo nkomo say ya wo say
asante ebu adwane no kura wom no no ene say ekwan papa de ebua mpratwe
because opie ya kasi wo benya ma wo excuse bi ya
kura na dawo ena mi bo so no mai akota wo send lorry fare na so mai ya utimi fa uba toa no kofa wa de eba
awusi afo e
excuse me ah
ada bi okase o ya taxi driver ha no akofa no